Complaints Choir. Complaints Choir is a community art project that invites people to sing about their complaints in a choir together with fellow complainers. The first Complaints Choir was organised in Birmingham, UK in 2005, followed by the Complaints Choirs of Helsinki, Hamburg and St. Petersburg in 2006. The project was initiated by artists Täällä Vokalinen and Oliver Kotschikalinen. A video installation consisting of the documentation of the public performances of the four choirs was shown at Kaisma Helsinki, Finland, SMFK, Ghent, Belgium and Museum Friedrichsmuseum Kassel, Germany, among other venues. When the video clips of the choirs were distributed through online magazines and video sharing websites, the idea spread quickly to many other countries. To date, additional complaints choirs have been organised in Bodø, Norway, Poikkilakso Primary School, Helsinki, Finland, Budapest, Hungary, Chicago, Illinois, United States, Juneau, Alaska, Gabriola Island, Canada, Melbourne, Australia, Jerusalem, Singapore, Wrocław, Poland, Hong Kong, Philadelphia, Durham, North Carolina and Sked, Netherlands, as part of its International Grenswork Art Festival in Tokyo, Japan. In 2006 in Singapore, a complaints choir that was to be in a festival was prohibited from performing by the government. The Singapore government's Media Development Authority refused to issue a permit because some members of the choir were foreigners and some of the lyrics touched upon domestic affairs. Reuters quoted the festival organizer as saying, "Our conductor is Malaysian, so how could the choir go ahead without him?" The name Complaints Choir is a literal translation of the long-established Finnish expression valituskuoro. English has the expression a chorus of complaints. One of the complaints mentioned in the Helsinki version was the fact that the Finns were always beaten by the Swedes in the Eurovision Song Contest. A few months later, Finland won the contest for the first time, with Sweden coming fifth.